Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kaistorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This January, we're kicking off a special series on the channel. A series that honors women who didn't just shine in front of the camera but also showed courage, talent, and authenticity behind the scenes. These are the stories of women who went beyond fame. Women who faced challenges, embraced criticism, reinvented themselves, and stood strong. And in today's vlog, we put the spotlight on a truly amazing woman whose life has inspired and motivated people all over the world, Jessica Cox. So today, we have truly an inspiring story, one that will show you that courage, determination, and a strong spirit can break any barrier. We're talking about a woman who literally redefined what's possible, who proves that limitations exist only in the mind, and who has inspired millions around the world with her resilience and positivity. Yes, today we're sharing 7 real and amazing facts about Jessica Cox, a woman born without arms, yet who learned to live life fully, fly planes, and inspire the world with her story. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. So get ready mga kaistorya because these 7 facts about Jessica Cox will not only amaze you but also remind us all that with determination and heart, anything is possible. Let's dive in and get inspired together. Number 1, born without arms and uses her feet for daily activities. Si Jessica ay isinilang na walang mga braso dahil sa isang bihirang kondisyon na tinatawag na phocomelia. Para sa iba, ito ay maaring maging panghabambuhay na limitasyon, but for her, doon nagsimula ang isang kakaiba at kahangahangang journey. Mula pagkabata, natutunan niyang umasa sa kanyang mga paa, hindi lang para sa balanse, kundi para sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Pagsusulat, pagkain, paglikha at pagharap sa araw-araw na gawain ay naging natural na bahagi ng kanyang buhay. Ginagawa ng may husay at tahimik na determinasyon. Through patience and resilience, Jessica turned what others saw as a challenge into a powerful testament to human adaptability and strength. Number 2, world's first licensed armless pilot. Noong 2008, gumawa ng kasaysayan si Jessica sa himpapawid. Nakamit niya ang kanyang sport pilot certificate at nagawa ang isang bagay na akala ng marami ay imposible. Natutunan niyang magpalipad ng eroplano gamit ang kanyang mga paa. Sa matinding focus at walang takot na determinasyon, siya ang kumontrol sa cockpit at binago ang pananaw ng mundo kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging isang piloto. Ang kanyang pambihirang tagumpay ay hindi lang nagbigay sa kanya ng lisensya, binigyan din siya ng lugar sa kasaysayan. Recognized by Guinness World Records, Jessica became the world's first licensed armless pilot. Isang patunay na ang mga limitasyong iniisip ng tao ay maaaring hamunin at malampasan. Number 3, degree in psychology. Hindi nagtapos sa himpapawid ang kwento ng tibay ng loob ni Jessica. Nagpatuloy ito sa loob ng silid-aralan. Sa University of Arizona, pinili niyang unawain ang mas malalim na takbo ng isipan at kilos ng tao, dala ang tunay na curiosity at malinaw na layunin. Sa pamamagitan ng sipag at walang sawang determinasyon, nakamit niya ang Bachelor of Science in Psychology, isang mahalagang academic milestone sa kanyang kahangahangang buhay. Ipinakita ng tagumpay na ito hindi lamang ang kanyang talino, kundi ang kanyang hangaring mas maunawaan ang tao, ang mga hamon ng buhay, at ang lakas na nagmumula sa loob ng human spirit. Number 4, Taekwondo Black Belt. Beyond academics and aviation, Jessica found another arena where her strength and discipline shone: martial arts. Through years of rigorous training and unwavering focus, she earned a black belt in Taekwondo, mastering techniques that demand balance, precision, and control. Her accomplishments in martial arts are a powerful reminder that true strength isn't defined by physical form, but by determination, courage, and the relentless will to push beyond expectations. Number 5, motivational speaker and global influencer. Umabot na sa iba't ibang bansa at entablado ang boses ni Jessica. Bilang isang motivational speaker at global influencer, naglalakbay siya sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo upang ibahagi ang isang kwentong hinubog ng tapang, tibay ng loob at paniniwala sa sarili. Sa bawat audience na kanyang kaharap, ginagawa niyang makapangyarihang aral ang kanyang mga personal na hamon. Hinihikayat ang mga tao na muling suriin ang kanilang mga limitasyon at yakapin ang sariling potensyal. From intimate gatherings to major events like women's conferences, Jessica's message resonates deeply, proof that one life, lived boldly and authentically, can move and empower countless others. Number 6, first armless black belt. Muli na namang binago ni Jessica ang anyo ng kasaysayan. Sa isang mundo kung saan ang martial arts ay madalas inuugnay sa pisikal na lakas at porma, pinili niyang tahakin ang sariling landas. Pinanday ng disiplina at determinasyon sa walang sawang pagsasanay at matibay na focus. Siya ang naging kauna-unahang armless na tao na nakamit ang black belt sa American Taekwondo Association. Ang tagumpay na ito ay higit pa sa isang titulo. Winasak nito ang mga inaasahan at pinatunayan na ang tunay na husay ay nagmumula sa isipan, espiritu at puso. Ang paglalakbay ni Jessica sa loob ng doyang ay nagsisilbing makapangyarihang paalaala na ang tunay na limitasyon ay hindi nasa katawan, kundi sa mga paniniwalang pinipili nating lampasan. And number 7, other achievements and public impact. Beyond the milestone that made headlines, Jessica's life is filled with everyday victories that quietly redefine what's possible. Using her feet, she learned not only to fly, but also to dive beneath the sea, drive on open roads, ride the waves while surfing, and take on countless other activities many take for granted. Each skill she mastered became another statement of independence and another challenge to society's assumptions. Today, Jessica continues to use her platform to advocate for people with disabilities, turning her lived experiences into a powerful voice for inclusion, accessibility, and empowerment. Her impact reaches far beyond personal achievement. It reshapes perspectives and opens doors to others to believe, try, and thrive. And there you are, mga kaistorya. 7 Real and Amazing Facts About Jessica Cox. Isang babae na hindi kailanman hinahayaang ang mga limitasyon ang magdikta ng kanyang kwento. Mula sa mga ulap na kanyang nilipad hanggang sa mga silid-aralan, entablado at duyang kung saan niya pinapatunayan ang kanyang lakas, ipinapaalala sa atin ng buhay ni Jessica na ang tapang, malinaw na layunin at paniniwala sa sarili ay kayang maghatid sa atin ng higit pa sa ating inaakala. Her journey isn't just about extraordinary achievements. It's about rewriting what's possible, one bold step at a time. So here's the question for you. Which of Jessica Cox's achievements inspired you the most and why? I-share ang thoughts ninyo sa comments. I-like ang video kung naantig kayo sa kanyang kwento. At huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa At Home with Mardy para sa mas marami pang inspiring stories tungkol sa lakas, tibay ng loob at kapangyarihan ng human spirit. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Daghang salamat! Before we wrap up today's vlog, I want to leave you with an inspiring thought. Life fails to be perfect, but never fails to be beautiful. Even with flaws and challenges, there is always something to appreciate and enjoy.